There you go. You ready?
Tighten
You
up,
ready?
Tighten up,
You ready?
baby. Let's go.
Look at it.
I see him.
We're next to a bird.
Yeah.
Woo!
That boat, baby.
Look!
Hey, big
Woo! Ooh, I love gecko. I love gecko one.
Tighten up, big boy.
Ducks! Ducks! Why can't you hit the water?
Yeah. Do you know how to throw the ABC?
They say you gotta hit it when you come to a complete stop. They say you gotta hit the throttle so the front of it come up. Hmm.
Yeah, 17. 20.
You fixed the diamond?
Tighten up, baby. Baby. That was a good one.
That was really good.
We out here, baby. Cruise in the water. Let's get it.
It's Geico.
Let's get it.
Coach battery already done. Whoa! This boy out here bashing boat. Oh, Lord, Johnson. What's the range?
Yo, should we try to do a race?
What's the range?
Rolling start race? Get it, Drew.
There you go, coach. That thing ain't dead.
Yeah, I'm gonna get me one. I want that blue and yellow. I see you, big boy.
Range test, baby. Get a range test.
I won't get my range test. Yo, who can go through there? Yeah, there you go. We're gonna chop down some of that meat. I see you, big boy. I see you. I see you, baby.
It's a boatorama. A boatorama out here. Who coming on out here to the deep end, bro? Who coming to the deep end? Who coming to the deep end out here? We out here on the deep end, baby. Let's go.
What's up, Ty? What's up, Ty? Thank you. Every time I open it up, once they open up, that thing go to fly, bro. Now I want to see that shit go. I can't see it that far. I'm gonna open it up this way though. Nah, not this way. Oh, get your ass off these rocks. Your ass off these rocks. Go ahead, Gap. Tighten up, Gap. On land and sea. Here watching. Tighten up, Justin. Chilling. They just chilling. Yeah. That's what it is. Please with the purpose though. Be back with y'all fellas when we get
I'm on you, Bitcoin. I'm on you, Bitcoin. I'm on you, baby. I'm on you. I'm on you. I'm on you. Let's go. I'm on you, baby. I'm on you, baby. Let's go. Ooh, let's go. Big turns, big turns. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. M41.
Yeah, you definitely got me there, guy.
No, I ain't get. I was closer. I was closer this way. That's all. Yeah, I was just closer in. What happened? What happened? What happened, Bitcoin? You got it. Let it come out. Then hit it hard. There you go. Where you at, True? Miss Geico, where you at, Miss Geico? Look, we all gonna be dead in about 2 more minutes. I'm telling you now. Everybody gonna be dead in about 2 more minutes. You ready? Go. Because it's under the water. It's always gonna be sluggish when you first start. That's why they tell you with a boat, don't let the throttle go. Just let it cruise. Because when you let it down, you see how your back is under the water. When you start going, your back gonna come out the water. Watch. Start going. See how your back, now you're back out the water.
You got the ducks chilling, just I think check them out. Ducks are just chilling.
I'm behind you, go.
Go in the circle like they were doing.
One of y'all got some battery? One of y'all flip over boats got some battery? Because I'm going out far. Come on out here, baby. Come on out here to the open world out here, baby. We got a whole new world out here, baby. We got a whole new world out here, baby. Let's get it.
Oh, son, that shit is fast.
Yeah, I think got some dip. That thing got some dip.
Fast, True. Come on in, guy.
Oh!
Come on in, guy.
Thank you. Oh! Serious shake.
Let's Geico, baby.
Oh, yeah. That shit turn on that dime.
You ain't gonna come get me though. You ain't gonna come get me though. M41, let's get it.
Open it up, baby.
Let's get it. Recoil. Let's get it. Recoil. Look at the recoil. Getting it, baby. And he flipped.
Go, go, go.
Yo, that Traxxas, dude, is sick.
Yeah, it is. That kind of
That Traxxas is sick, boy. This Geico coming around now. This Geico coming around now. You can play with your propellers, man. That's a stop propeller, bro. You can upgrade the propellers. That's a zippy.
Nice, yeah, he got some tough turns, bro.